Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear students, class Anthocerity is very important class of Bryophyte. In this video, we will study general characters of class Anthocerity, distribution, gametophyte, reproduction, sporophyte and alternation of generation in class Anthocerity. First of all, we will see distribution of class Anthocerity. Anthocerity is a small class of Bryophyte which contains about 5 genera and 300 species. The members of class Anthocerity are commonly called as hornworts due to the remarkable association of simple gametophyte with a highly organized sporophyte. So this is the gametophyte of Anthocerity member and this is the sporophyte. Here the sporophyte of members of class Anthocerity looking like the horns, and so therefore the name given it is the hornwort. The members of class Anthocerity are found in tropical, subtropical and moist warm temperate regions. They are worldwide in distribution. Now we will see structure of gametophyte. As you can see here, the gametophyte is small, yellowish green or dark green in color. It is dorsiventrally flattened and irregularly lobed thallus. There is no distinct midrib. On the dorsal surface, as you can see here, the thallus is usually smooth but found to be rough in some genera. While on the ventral surface, unicellular smooth-walled rhizoids are present, many in number. On the ventral surface, small rounded bluish-green thickened patches of nostoc colonies are also seen. Internally, the thallus shows very simple organization and very negligible cellular differentiation. The thallus is characterized by the presence of intercellular cavities filled with mucilage and inhabited by the endophytic colonies of the nostoc. This is symbiotic association. Now we will see reproduction in class Anthocerity. In class Anthocerity, vegetative as well as sexual reproduction is common. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, gymmi, tubers, persistent growing apices as well as apospory. While sexual reproduction is by formation of sex organs which are embedded deeply into the dorsal region of the thallus. The male sex organs are called as antheridia, as you can see here in this diagram, and female sex organ they are called as archegonia. Some genera of Anthocerity are monoecious, while others are dioecious. Monoecious means both the sex organs are present on the same thallus, while dioecious means both the sex organs are present on different thalli. Antheridia produce biflagellate male gametes called as antherozoids, while archegonia produce non-motile female gamete called as egg. Male gamete, that is antherozoid, fuses with female gamete egg and diploid zygote is formed. So this is the first cell of the sporophytic generation. Now we will see the sporophytic generation or the sporophyte of Anthocerity. This is the diagram which shows gametophyte and sporophyte of class Anthocerity. Sporophytes usually grow in clusters from the basal surface of the thallus. Each is surrounded at its base by a tubular involucre. So this is the involucre. Here sporophyte is differentiated into foot and capsule. Seta is absent. Internally, sporophyte is differentiated into foot and capsule and also shows intercalary meristematic zone. Due to the meristematic zone, capsule is capable of unlimited growth in length, and this is the character only seen in the class Anthocerity. Sporophyte can prepare its own food by the photosynthesis, but it has to depend upon gametophyte only for the mineral salt and water. Thus the sporophyte is partially parasite on gametophyte. In sporophyte, internally sporogenous tissues are found. These sporogenous tissues later on produce spore mother cells and then spore tetrads and spores. Internally at the center there is a solid core of sterile tissue called as columella. It is made up of narrow elongated cells arranged in 16 vertical rows. The sporophyte shows maximum amount of the sterile tissue and the fertile tissue is quantitatively reduced. The mature spores are thick-walled, tetrahedral in shape, vary in color from dark brown, black to yellow and variously ornamented. Now we will see alternation of generation in class Anthocerote. The life cycle of members of Anthocerote shows two clear morphologically distinct generations, that is gametophytic and sporophytic generation. This is the graphical representation of alternation of generation in class Anthocerote. As you can see here, the gametophyte is a simple thallus, but it is autotrophic independent generation. It is haploid sexual generation producing male and female sex organ, which in turn produce male and female gametes. These male and female gametes fuse together by the process of fertilization and diploid sporophyte is formed. The sporophyte is partially parasite on the gametophyte and is differentiated into foot and capsule. Thus, the two distinct phases, that is haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophytic generation, alternates with each other. Dear students, with this we have completed general characters of class Anthocerote. Thank you.